one of the world's 4 major railway networks, Indian Railways. In its historical journey of more than 160 years, it has established itself as a global heritage. And now its technological development and potential are also being recognized internationally. Over the past decades, many nations have used the expertise and experiences of Indian Railways engineering and logistics companies for railway development in their country. Among them, Rail India Technical and Economic Service Limited companies like Ircon International Limited, Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, and Braithwaite and Company Limited are included. Indian Railways companies have helped the concerned nations in major international projects such as Iran-Afghanistan Chabahar Zaidan, Malaysia Siramban Gemas double track upgradation, and Sri Lanka Railway Line Revival Project are some of those projects. In addition, Iraq, Algeria, Bangladesh, Mozambique, and in Brazil, several projects have been completed. Indian Railways has provided Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Nigeria, and Indonesia its construction and consultancy services. Indian Railways is also a major link in the United Nations' ambitious Trans-Asian Rail Link, and Indian Railways companies are playing an important role in completing this project. In view of the increasing demand for railway parts and products at the international level, Indian Railways has also taken important steps in the direction of exports. In this, rail factories are getting the benefit of their Make in India products being comparatively cheaper. Now locomotive and coach factories of Indian Railways are exporting locomotives, diesel electric multiple units etc. to many countries. Regarding India's first Make in India train set Train 18, countries of Europe and America including Arab countries have also expressed their desire, and very soon Train 18 can be exported. These achievements are proving the growing reputation of Indian Railways at the global level, global identity of India, Indian Railways.